So here's another super easy tip. I'm going to be using ChatGPT this time, and this is going to use a prompt to bring together a bunch of information and create a very concise summary of it. And then I'm going to use this prompt. I call it the universal summarization prompt. And you can see that it gives me some different information. I'm just asking it to run. Usually if you're going to run this, you might want to tell it the length that you want it, but it does a pretty good job of just pulling this together. It says the video teaches 5 practical storytelling techniques to make narratives more engaging by focusing on specific, emotionally resonant moments. So that's our main point. That's the main point of this video. It gives us some key details and then the context on how to use it. Now let's use this and go to a link on how to tell a brilliant story from cultivated management. So I'm going to put that in there, this prompt again. And I'm actually going to tell it, I want this one to be more detailed. So I'm just going to delete those other ones. And I'm going to ask it to be more detailed this time. So you can see that it's going to that website. It's actually pulling some different email or different information from the website. And says effective business storytelling transforms factual information into compelling narratives that drive clarity, alignment, and action within organizations. And you can see this is a more extensive summary than the previous one. So really you do want to choose which one you want or how much information you want. You can be very, very concise, 100 words, 200 words, or you can be a lot more verbose and get a deeper understanding with 300 to 500 words type. So this is a really good prompt that you can use to summarize, as you saw, a YouTube video or a website, and this is using ChatGPT for this.